Welcome to session 2. This session is dedicated to Spanish nouns, gender and number. In session 1 we have covered Spanish alphabet, pronunciation and related words. But this step is one step ahead because we are moving from letters to words. But this part is covering only Spanish nouns. Spanish nouns are quite different because there are several factors to know: masculine and feminine concept, singular and plural. So altogether we have included everything in our chapter. We have designed our chapter in a way where every rule is written, all relevant examples are given, and we have included a small exercise where we will be implementing everything whatever we are going to learn in the class. So don't waste the time, come to the classroom.
Welcome to the classroom. This is session 2. On this platform, Spanish classes online, we are going to do Spanish nouns. Here we have two factors. First, gender. Second, number. These 2 points are very important because Spanish nouns are different and we have to know these two factors very carefully. We have to understand it. Spanish nouns are either masculine or feminine. How we identify? We have to look at the ending of the word nouns. Then we'll study these two factors: gender, that is masculine and feminine, and second factor is number. But in the beginning, we are going to study Spanish gender. If we talk about gender, there are two genders in Spanish, masculine and feminine. And second, number, singular and plural. These are Spanish nouns. Next point is dedicated to gender, Spanish gender. We have to look at masculine. This is the first part. Second is feminine. How these 2 points are different, we will study here. First, we'll start with masculine. Point 1. If we look at any noun ending with O, then those words are masculine in nature. For example, I have written here, you can see, first word is chico, that is boy. Primo, cousin brother. Abuelo, grandfather. Hermano, brother. Mono, monkey. We'll repeat it: chico, boy. Primo, cousin brother. Abuelo, grandfather. Hermano, brother. Mono, monkey.
This is the
First part.
Now we are
Now
moving towards
we will move
feminine.
to feminine. First point: if any noun is ending with A, then we'll find feminine nouns. Example, you can see chica means girl. Prima, cousin sister. Abuela, grandmother. Hermana, sister. Repeat it again: chica, girl. Prima, cousin sister. Abuela, grandmother. Hermana, sister. So we have done first point in feminine. Now we will identify O-ending nouns are masculine, A-ending nouns are feminine in nature. Switching to point 2. First to masculine. If we find any word, any noun ending with MA are masculine. These nouns are masculine. Example: problema, problem; tema, topic; diagramma, diagram; programma, program; clima, climate; aroma, smell; poem, poema, poem; sistema, system; fantasma, ghost; diagramma, diagram; diploma, diploma; idioma, language; drama, drama. These are examples. We can repeat it: problema, problem; tema, topic; diagramma, diagram; programma, program; clima, climate; aroma, smell; poema, poem; sistema, system; fantasma, ghost; diagramma, diagram; diploma, diploma; idioma, language; drama, drama. This is second point. MA ending words are nouns are masculine in nature. Come to second point, feminine side. DAD, dad; TUD, tud; TAD, tad; SION, sion; CION, theon; GION, hyon; ia, tha. These are suffixes. If any noun is ending with these suffixes are feminine in nature. Examples: universidad, university; actitud, attitude; amistad, friendship; pasión, passion; canción, song; religión, religion; economía, economy; pobreza, poverty, etc. These are examples. We are repeating it again: universidad, university; actitud, attitude; amistad, friendship; pasión, passion; canción, song; religión, religion; economía, economy; pobreza, poverty, etc. If you find any word ending with these suffixes are feminine in nature in Spanish. Now coming to point 3. How? See. If any noun is ending with OR. If any noun ending with OR is feminine is masculine in nature. See examples: doctor, doctor; pintor, painter; actor, actor; profesor, professor; vendedor, seller; bailador, dancer. These are examples. We are repeating it again. I am repeating it: doctor, doctor; pintor, painter; actor, actor; profesor, professor; vendedor, vendedor; seller; bailador, dancer, etc. This is category 3 where OR ending nouns are masculine. All those points we have to remember. Now we are switching to point 3, feminine side. See, umbre. Umbre. Ending words are feminine in nature. Example you can see costumbre. Umbre. Any noun ending with umbre are feminine in nature. Keep in mind. See, point number 4. Masculine side. This point is important, quite important to remember. Here you can see nouns starting and ending with a are masculine. Nouns starting and ending with a. I have given some examples also. So starting point and ending point, in both places we have a. So these are masculine in nature. Example. See, first word is agua. You can see first letter, last letter a. So agua is masculine. Alma, aguila, aula. You can see starting and ending. That's why these words are masculine in nature. Agua, alma, aguila, aula. These are 4 examples. Point number 4, masculine side. Now coming to feminine side. TRIZ ending words are feminine. Threes. These are feminine words. Now we'll look at the examples given. These are feminine in nature. Threes. Example. First example is actriz. Second example is motriz. Third example is directriz. Actriz, motriz, directriz. These are 3 examples. Point number 4 is done. We have some more important points. We'll revise it in some time, but let us finish it first. Point number 5. Now the points are quite different because we'll find some similarity and differences here. First point, C. Constant ending words or nouns are masculine in nature. Exclude D and Z. We have to exclude D and Z because these are also consonant. So cut these 2 points. Letters are masculine in nature. We have some examples written down. O, R is also consonant. L, humor, árbol, papel, autobús. Humor, árbol, papel, autobús. These are 4 examples. So these are consonant ending words. R, L, L, S. So these are masculine words. Another side, see. L is also a consonant, but some consonant or we can say L ending nouns are feminine in nature. We have some example written down. You can see. First example is sal. Second example is miel. Piel. Sal, salt, miel, honey, piel, skin. We have 3 examples written. L is also consonant, but these words are feminine in nature. Next. Point number 6, masculine side. Z ending nouns are masculine. Yes, Z ending nouns are masculine. There are some examples down. You can see. These are important examples. You can see ending Z, Z. Everywhere will find Z. So these are 4 examples written. First is pez, fish, lapis, pencil, arroz, rice, maize. These are 4 examples. All are Z ending nouns, but masculine in nature. Another side where we'll find very close and similar thing, or we can say this is exceptional side. Actually, this is a very broad topic to study. Exceptions in masculine and feminine nouns we'll be doing in some other classes. But here see, some Z ending nouns are feminine in nature. I have written some examples there. Here we'll revise it. Example 1, you can see that here we have 4 examples. Every word is ending with Z. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Pass, you have to remember, pass, loose, nari's ways. You have to remember, keep in mind all these 4 examples, because these are also Z ending. Pass, peace, loose, light, nariz, nose, ways, time. These are 4 examples. So we can see 6 point masculine and feminine side. Everywhere we have Z ending nouns, but some are masculine and some are feminine in nature. 7th point. 7th point is E ending nouns are masculine. Examples you can see: hombre, man, estudiante, student, perfume, perfume, padre, father, coche, car, PA, foot. These are examples. We'll repeat it again: hombre, man, estudiante, student, perfume, perfume, padre, father, coche, car, PA, foot, etc. Another side, 7th point. Some E ending nouns are feminine. Masculine side there were E ending nouns, and but this side also we have E ending nouns, but nature is different. Some examples noted: carne, meat, calle, street, gente, people, frase, sentence, noche, night, nieve, snow, llave, key, tarde, late, madre, mother, muerte, dead, clase, class, leche, milk. These are feminine nouns. We'll repeat it again: carne, meat, calle, street, gente, people, frase, sentence, noche, night, nieve, snow, llave, key, tarde, late, madre, mother, muerte, death, clase, class, leche, milk, etc. These are E ending nouns but feminine in nature. These are 7 points. Now we need to revise it once, because we have total 7 points, and to remember all these points, revision is very important. So we'll revise it once. Let's go up. Later you will practice it your own. See, first point. As you can see, our topic is Spanish nouns, gender and number. So first point is You can see first point is dedicated to, this is very common rule actually. First point, O ending nouns are masculine and A ending nouns are feminine in nature. This is first and very common point. Most of the words are like this. But other points are very important also. Second point is most important, I think. And you will get many exceptions later. But this time, look. If we go to point number 2, what we find? We find MA ending nouns are masculine in nature. I'm writing here point number 2. Masculine and feminine. So first MA ending nouns are masculine in nature. Second point, DAD, TUD, dad, tu, tad, sion, sion, hion, ia, sa. These are feminine nouns. This is to identify the words. If I write any word, any noun, and if I give you a task to identify and separate them, then on looking the ending, if you look at the ending, you can put them together in masculine and feminine category. That's why this part is very important. Dat, tud. There are many examples written. Universidad, DAD ending. Actitud, TUD ending. Amistad, TAD ending. Pasión, SION ending. CION ending. Canción, religión. Economía, pobreza. These are examples. Third point, you'll see OR ending words are, I'm categorizing, putting OR ending are masculine and UMBRE, umbre ending words are feminine. Examples you can see. First example is doctor. Second example is pintor, actor, profesor, vendedor, bailador, etc. Another side, costumbre is one example. Now, fourth point. Here we find a very new category of Spanish nouns. If any noun is ending with A or starting and ending with A is masculine, and another side TRIZ ending words are feminine. Examples: masculine side, see, agua, alma, aguila, aula. Feminine side, we have TRIZ, threes ending words. We have first example, actriz, motriz, directriz. These are 4 examples. Point number 5. Point number 5 is a noun ending with any consonant other than D and Z are masculine. See, I'm writing here. Fifth point, masculine, consonant ending, exclude D and Z. And feminine side, L ending nouns. We'll revise all the examples. Consonant ending words are masculine, but exclude D and Z. Examples are humor, árbol, papel, autobús. Humor, tree, roll, and bus. Some L ending nouns are feminine. Some example. First, sal, miel, pl. These are 3 examples. Fifth point is done. Coming to point number 6. Z ending nouns are masculine and Z ending nouns are feminine. But there are many words we have to remember, we have to keep in mind. See examples. Masculine side, Z ending nouns. First example is pez, lapis, arroz, maize. These are 4 examples. Feminine side now, paz, luz, nariz, beth, etc. This is 6th point done. Point number 7. Here we have masculine and feminine both, and in both cases we have E ending nouns. I've written examples also. And again we have to keep in mind, we have to remember all these examples. Come to masculine side first. Hombre, estudiante, perfume, padre, coche, pie. Feminine side now. Examples are carne, calle, gente, frase, noche, nieve, llave, tarde, madre, muerte, clase, leche, etc. These are 7 points done. Whatever we have studied till now is not all things done. See, we have to know many things. You have to revise every point with examples several times because it needs your attention, practice, revision, everything. So you have to go through all the points. And we have made also other special sessions under this topic, special nouns, gender and number. That will come in session number 4, will be uploaded here. You can check it, session number 4, where you will get all the exceptions. But before that we have to do some points, some other things to tell you. That's why we have kept it in session 4. So special session is dedicated to you, and that will be covering, that will be a complementary part of this session. Now we are moving to the second point of the factors. First point was gender, second point is number. If we talk about number, we have 2 branches, singular and plural, as usual. Numbers are singular and plural in nature. And why we are discussing it? Because if you know any noun in singular, and in many cases you need to convert it in plural. So there are some rules, several important easy rules we have written here, and you will be learning in this order. There are some rules, and you will be learning how to convert singular noun to plural, and there are very easy steps. First point is, if any noun is ending with a vowel, that is A, E, I, O, U in Spanish, simply you have to add S in that word to get plural of that word. First side, you can see examples in singular written: chico, abuelo, aula, camarero. These are 4 examples, and we are converting these to plural. Chicos, adding s, abuelos, added s, aulas, added s, camareros, red color, you can see these are plural nouns. We have converted singular to plural. This is step 1, number 1, where we have added any vowel ending words we have added s in that to get plural. Second point, if any noun is ending with a consonant, that is rest of the letters, what we have to do, just we have to add es in that word. Add es, nothing else, you will get plural. Examples, we have 4 examples: universidad, amistad, canción, religión, and we are going to convert it in plural. First, universidades, we have added es. Second example is see, yes, amistades. Amistad is singular and we have added amistades, canciones, religiones. So we have added these. Wait a minute. So universidades, amistades, canciones, religiones. These are plural words. So if you get any noun, any consonant ending noun, and you are converting it into plural, you have to add es. Now point number 3, third rule. This I'm arranging it. Wait a minute. Yeah, third point. This is if any noun is ending with z. You can read it. If noun ends with a z, what we have to do? I've written one example here. Actriz. There is a difference in this change. See, first point and second point, you can see vowel ending nouns add s. Vowel ending a, e, I, o, u. Second point is consonant ending words add es. I'm referring words like nouns. These points you know, these 2 rules you already have done. Third point is down. See, z ending nouns have different operation. What we have to do? Come to another side. Actriz example. We have to drop z. Drop z from the singular noun and add ces in that singular noun. Drop z, add ces. Example, actriz, we have removed z. After removing, we have added ces. Now converted, plural is actrices. Actriz becomes actrices. Naris, narices. I have written only one example here. Actriz, actrices. We'll practice more examples. Down. I have made very easy and important exercise below. So let's practice all the words and definitely you will enjoy it because practice is very important in any language learning. I have already said it many times. See what are the words and how to convert. You also work with me. These are selected words and we'll make them plural. We are converting, but among 3 rules we have to identify suitable rule. First example is, you can see, all 3 rules we have to remember: vowel ending, consonant ending and z ending. Let's see what happens. 3 rules, 1, 2 and 3. Example number 1 is Chico. O ending means vowel ending word. Noun. What we have to do? If any noun ends with a vowel, we have to add s only. Chicos. Chicos. This is plural. Second, again we see this is also a vowel ending word. Noun. We have to simply add s in that, nothing else. For example, estudiante becomes estudiantes. That is estudiantes. This is plural. We have added s only. Example number 3 is problema. Again vowel ending. Any vowel ending nouns, what we have to do? Same thing, we have to add s in that letter. Problema becomes problemas. Fourth example, su. Again we have vowel ending word, noun. Same thing we have to do, add s in that letter, in that noun. Su becomes sus, plural. Now, changing the category. Papel. Papel. Consonant ending noun. Consonant ending nouns means you have to add es. Add es. Papel becomes papeles. Papeles. Next example, autobús. Consonant ending again. We have to again add es. Autobús becomes autobuses, plural. Now third category comes. Here we have third category. Example is pes, z ending, drop z, add ces. Z ending noun, apply rule number 3. That was drop z and add ces. Pes becomes, you have to drop this z and add ces. P-E-C-E-S. Peses, plural. Lapis. Next example is lapis. Z ending. Again we have to apply rule number 3. Drop z and add ces. Lapises, plural. Pencils. Next, loose. Z ending. Apply rule number 3. What is rule number 3? Drop z and ces. Looses, plural. Next, again z ending. We have to drop z. Rule number 3 will be applicable here again. Rule number 3. PA, drop z, CES added. Passes. Next example, naris. Z ending. Apply rule number 3. Naris. Na. Ri. Z drop करना. Narises. Bes. Z ending. Rule number 3. Beses. Last example, actriz. Z ending noun. Rule number 3 again. Act 3, drop Z. Act 3 says. Yeah, these are several examples covering all the rules. Rule number 1, 2, 3, where we have converted singular noun to the plural noun. That's why all these are very important points. You have to practice all these 13 examples many times, and other exercises we'll be doing in other sessions. As we have told, I've said already, session number 4 is important to you, but after session 2, session 3 is quite important than session number 4. And the sequel topics are, all topics are connected to each other, as we have targeted our session in a way where they have arranged in a chronological order. So you have to do, and don't forget to like this.
I hope you have enjoyed the lecture. If you have any question, any query, you may write us. If you are new to channel, subscribe it. Thank you for watching. Happy learning. Vande Matram.